Let's start cooking this delicious and comfort food. Add cleaned and washed beef trotters in a big stock pot. It is 1.5 kilograms. Add 3 liters of water. And bring it to boil. Take out the foam from the surface. It gives bitter taste to the gravy. Now add 250 grams of sliced onions, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1/2 cup of oil. Mix it again. When it comes to boil, cover and cook on medium-low heat until it is tender. It will take around 3 hours. Keep checking in between. When it is 80% tender, increase the heat to medium-high. Cook until liquid is evaporated and oil is starting to separate. Lower down the flame to medium-low. Now add whole spices. 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 big cardamom, 6 black pepper, 6 cloves, and 3 small bay leaves. Add 1/2 cup of yogurt. Mix it and keep cooking until oil separates. Now add 4 cups of water, or as much gravy you like. Bring it to boil on medium-high heat. Mix it well, cover and cook for 30 more minutes on medium-low heat. After 30 minutes, take out the lid and check the salt and trotters. If it is fully tender and ready to eat, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Beef pie is ready. Best to eat with your favorite naan. Sprinkle some chopped cilantro, green chili slices, and ginger. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.